Have you ever wondered what happens when two galaxies collide? Buckle up, because today, we're diving into the ultimate cosmic showdown. Imagine two colossal celestial entities, each hosting billions of stars, gas, and dust, hurtling toward each other at breathtaking speeds. It sounds like a recipe for utter chaos, doesn't it? But what really happens when galaxies collide is both more complex and more fascinating than you might think. First off, let's debunk a common myth. Stars within the galaxies almost never collide. Yes, you heard that right. Despite the sheer number of stars involved, the vast distances between them mean they pass right by each other, like ships in the night. Instead, the gravitational forces at play cause these stars to shift into new orbits, sometimes forming new, magnificent patterns. What really happens during these galactic collisions is the interstellar gas and dust. As galaxies merge, their gas clouds slam into each other, triggering a spectacular burst of star formation. Picture it, millions of new stars igniting in a cosmic fireworks display. Isn't that something? But hold on, it gets even better. These interactions can also lead to the formation of supermassive black holes. When two galaxies collide, their central black holes can spiral toward each other, eventually merging to form an even larger black hole. This process releases immense amounts of energy, creating phenomena that can be observed across the universe. You might wonder, what's the fate of our own Milky Way? Funny you should ask. Our galaxy is on a collision course with its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This cosmic event is predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years. When it happens, the two galaxies will slowly dance around each other, merging into a single, larger galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda. The night sky will look dramatically different, filled with countless new stars and nebulae. But don't worry, despite this grand collision, our solar system will likely survive the event unscathed, simply drifting to a new part of the newly formed galaxy. Talk about an epic journey. So, what do galactic collisions teach us? They show us the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. They remind us that even in the apparent chaos, there's a kind of cosmic order, a ballet of celestial bodies governed by the laws of physics. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're not just looking at stars. We're witnessing the past, present, and future of our universe. And who knows? Maybe one day, humanity will witness a galactic collision up close, unraveling more of the universe's mysteries. Thanks for tuning in, space explorers. If you're as fascinated by the cosmos as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep looking up.